Xielifeng Technology is an ambitious ISO 9001 registered company, specialized in CNC services and focusing on superior workmanship, high quality, cleanliness, and on-time lead time. We're a firm, united team of talented and experienced engineers, machinists, and technical consultants who commit to help solve problems in precision and complex machined parts, including design, cost, quality, assembly problems. What makes Xielifeng Tech different from other machining company is that Xielifeng is the label of superior quality and high efficiency. Our associate factory in Dongguan had imported many high-tech equipment during these years. For example, 4-axis CNC machining center, which enables us to make complex and micro-machine precision parts faster than ever. Besides, we also have long-term cooperated partners on sheet metal, stamping, injection, and die casting. We can provide one-stop service to fulfill your whole project. When receiving customers' first inquiry, we study their design at first, treating them as our own projects, and suggest the best processing method to bring them to life. We always provide good customer service and support customer launch new products on medical, aerospace, automotive, and consumer electronic market soonest possible. We're flexible, scrupulous, and honest to offer what you want. No matter big or small project, we do our best to provide high quality and competitive price with best service. Get us involved early. We will help you spend your money wisely.